Beginner class, we started with triple our 8 triple steps. And then we would close the body foot promenade, come back up again, close. We would take that turning right round, step, triple, step, triple, step, triple, and then we would do that, just letting the partner go, and then coming back. So that was the beginners. For intermediate, we went into this kind. And we took that same turning idea, triple, step, triple, rock, step, triple, triple, and then we took that step, triple into a pop turn. And from there, we brought the same idea into a pop turn, so the swing out.
You did all that.